Attachment Vlog, and today we're here in the Philippines interviewing students of what they know about laws and exponents. So, see you.
Found someone to interview right now.
And her name is, ate, what is her name?
Marry your daughter and make her my wife.
Do you know anything about laws of exponents? Okay, so thank you. Thank you for your time. So, zero leads, guys. So guys, I think we found another one that we can interview, and his name is Kuya. What is your name, Kuya? My name is Jen.
Pagbigyan mo na sana ako.
His name is Jen Lee. Do you know anything about laws of exponents?
I'm sorry, I don't know any knowledge about this.
Okay, thank you.
Get up with you guys.
So after 40 minutes of interviewing people and roaming around, we decided to stop, and based on our findings, nobody knows what laws of exponents are. So we're going to call our good friend Jillian to tell us what is laws of exponent. So guys, I would like you to meet.
Jillian, I'm here to help you to find the laws of exponent. First law that I'm gonna teach you is the product with the same base. So here's how to do it.
So based on our understanding, this is how you do it. You keep the base and then add the exponents.
Second law that I'm gonna teach you is the power to a power. So here's how to do it.
So based on our understandings again, you keep the base and then multiply the exponents.
So, it's written quotient with the same base. The example is
So here's how to do it. Keep the base and then subtract the exponent.
product to a power. The example is
So here's how to do it. Keep the base and distribute the exponent to each factor. Last exponent that we're gonna teach you is the quotient to a power. So here's how to do it.
When raising a fraction to an exponent, distribute the exponent to both the numerator and the denominator. So there you are, guys. Those are the 5 major laws of exponents. See you.